Hello, what is your name?
I'm Marna Santiago, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 57 years old.
What is your religion?
Christian, ma'am.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
2, ma'am.
Okay, so how old are they?
36 and 33, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
12 years and 9 months, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. And
Where?
Singapore,
How many years?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, and then?
And the Middle East, 4 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
6 months and
6 years and?
6 years and 9 months, ma'am.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
In Taipo, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700, ma'am.
How many family members there?
There are 3 only, ma'am.
How many children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Just the popo.
Okay, so how long you been, how long? So would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
7 o'clock, ma'am, and I prepare the breakfast of popo, and I start to clean the house, and in the afternoon, lunchtime, I give her lunch. I cook again for lunch, and in the dinner, I give her sometimes rice and chop.
And then how about, do you go market?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
6 o'clock, ma'am.
6 o'clock, okay. So what time you go to bed?
And 9 o'clock, ma'am.
9 o'clock. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.